Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide for dependency attorneys on how to correctly file a notice of discretionary review of a trial court's decision. An attorney may need to request discretionary review when a significant error of law or an important legal question arises from a lower court's decision. Discretionary review is specifically for interlocutory orders, those that are issued during a case but do not conclude it, rather than what would be considered a final order. For example, an interlocutory order might involve decisions like denying visits, denying a return home, or refusing a request to travel. In contrast, final orders, such as an order of dependency, a final order on minor guardianship, or a termination order, would all be examples of final orders that would not be eligible for a notice of discretionary review. A notice of appeal would be more appropriate for final orders. Please see our step-by-step guide on filing a notice of appeal for assistance with final orders. Here's a breakdown of the steps for filing a motion for discretionary review. Before we begin, remember you can reach out to the division resource attorneys if you believe you need assistance or have questions. These resource attorneys can provide guidance on the process and answer questions to help ensure you follow the appropriate steps. Step 1. Prepare for the hearing. Complete the notice of discretionary review listing the orders you want reviewed. If you anticipate that discretionary review will be necessary, bring the motion, declaration, and order of indigency forms so that you can obtain your client's signature at the hearing. If not, reach out to your client and get the order signed sooner rather than later. Step 2. Order the transcript. Order the transcript of the proceedings, ideally on the same day as the hearing. You will not be filing a designation of clerk's papers or a statement of arrangements for a discretionary review. Step 3. Serve the notice of discretionary review. Serve the notice of discretionary review to all involved parties. Attach the order you are seeking review of and the motion or order of indigency. Step 4. Give the transcript and all relevant documents to the appellate counsel for further review and action. Sample forms for the notice of discretionary review, motion for order of indigency, and other related documents can be found on the OPD Parents Representation Program website under the Briefs and Documents section. Please reach out to your division's appellate resource attorney if you have any questions. Now get out there and file those discretionary reviews.